But as far as like the smell of my hair, girl, my hair smell like I'll take your man.
I'ma pull up with the good, pull up bougie in the hood, yeah. I'ma give you what you want. Nigga, I'm a boss, nigga, I'm a boss. Play me, nigga, never that'll be a loss, so don't be trying to talk.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Za'Morian, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I go from this hot mess 2-week-old hair to this beautiful defined curly hair using Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla line. So how I like to wash my hair is I start off by just getting it drenched with water, and then once I get it drenched, I like to go ahead and take a comb and begin detangling my hair. Now, if you guys want to know how to properly detangle and deep condition your hair, I do have a full video on that where I discuss on how to properly detangle and why it's important to learn how to detangle your hair. So go ahead and check that video out. I'll have it in the top right corner. Now, it's pretty simple. How I detangle is I start from the bottom and I work my way up. I always part my hair in sections because for me personally, I have a lot of hair, and just working in sections makes it so much easier and just like a way easier process. And as you can see, I'm checking out my length right there, trying to see where your girl at, see if I got some inches or something. So next, what I'm gonna be doing is going ahead and taking the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Sulfate Free Shampoo, and I'm gonna go ahead and squirt that into my hands, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it onto the root of my hair. Sulfate free shampoos are literally key as a curly girl, because if your shampoo has sulfate in it, then that's not good for your hair, and that can break down your hair. You know what I mean? It's just not a healthy thing to have. That's why I love using shampoos that are sulfate free. So I personally think the way that I apply my shampoo to my hair is a little bit different from other people. And as you guys can see, I'm only applying the shampoo to my scalp and the top portion of my hair. The reason I do that is because I feel like once you rinse out all that shampoo, it's touching and it's gliding against the rest of your hair. So there's no need to apply shampoo all throughout your hair. Okay, you guys, so another thing that I love to do when I'm applying in my shampoo is I like to give myself like a mini massage. The reason I do this is because I feel like it really helps penetrate the shampoo into your scalp and really cleanse your scalp. Now, I have no idea what happened to the clip of me rinsing this out, but I did rinse out my shampoo, and then I went ahead and applied in the Black Vanilla hair smoothie. I split my hair into 2 sections and I twisted it up. And then I put this cap on just to really let it sit in my hair. And I also let this in for about 10 minutes. And then I went ahead and took the cap off, all that good stuff, took out my twist, and rinsed all of it out. Now, when you're rinsing it all out, make sure you're rinsing it out very thoroughly, because this is not a product that's supposed to be left in your hair. It's just a hair smoothie just to kind of like deep condition and cleanse your hair. So make sure you rinse it out very thoroughly. So after I rinsed out all the hair smoothie, I went ahead and took the Black Vanilla Hydrating Conditioner and applied that all throughout my hair. Now, for this product, I decided to leave my conditioner in my hair simply because I felt like just in case the spray leave-in conditioner wasn't like for me and I didn't like it, I already had a backup product in my hair, and I just always leave conditioners in. I'm not a big person on spray conditioners, so that's why I decided to leave this in my hair and make sure that my hair was very hydrated and very moisturized. Then once I was done applying all the conditioner throughout my hair, I went ahead and twisted it into a little bun in the back of my head, and then you'll see in the next clip how I finished out how I styled my hair.
Okay, you guys, so now that I'm finally done washing my hair and doing all that kind of stuff, like I said, I kept in the hydrating conditioner, because for me personally, my hair, I need a lot of conditioner, and I don't know if this spray here is actually gonna like hydrate my hair and, you know what I mean, leave my hair looking voluminous or everything, like, you know what I mean, things like that. So that's why I decided to just leave the hydrating conditioner in my hair. So that's all I really have in my hair right now. And as you guys saw, I am using my microfiber towel. This is from Tubby Twist. It was like $5 at Walmart, so you better go copy one, because I've mentioned in a couple of my videos that using microfiber towels are way better than using a normal towel like this. Towels like this are super harsh on your hair, and it can create frizz, breakage, and things like that. So you don't want to use, I'm gonna wipe my face though because I'm kind of hot from taking a shower. But yeah, you don't want to use a normal towel like this. So copy a microfiber towel from your local Wally World and get it popping, okay? So the reason I wanted to come out the shower is because 1, I was getting tired, and for 2, I know that I'm going to be applying this all throughout my hair very thoroughly. So I wanted to just sit down, hop out the shower, because it was starting to get steamy up in there and all of that. So another thing that I'm going to be applying to my hair, and this is like a new regimen that I've just been doing. Basically, what the method is you applying a oil onto your hair just to seal everything in. So as you can see, yeah, my hair is pretty damp. I'm gonna just start plucking it out a little bit and section it off, because I'm gonna be applying this leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. Because actually, okay, like I said, I left in the hydrating conditioner. That conditioner was supposed to be rinsed out of my hair, but like I said, you know, I like my hair to be hydrated, so I decided to keep it in. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this all throughout my hair. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair in half, because I like to work in sections, you know what I mean? Because working in sections is easier. It's just easier than, it makes the process go by faster. So I parted it into 4. I'm gonna part it one more time, and I'm gonna just go ahead and spray this all throughout this 1/6 section of my hair. And just make sure it's like really in there. Now I don't know if this line, like the vanilla, like the black vanilla line, has like a leave-in conditioner for this, because this spray, like, do they really think that us curly girls are supposed to be like using just this spray by itself? Like, what? Like, I personally, I can't do it. And this is like really like tiring. Like my hands. I almost sprayed this in my face. My hands are getting tired. Yeah, I'm gonna just come back when I'm done spraying all this. Okay, so it took me a minute to spray all this on my hair. I didn't use a lot because I eventually started to get tired. I don't know. I'm not really feeling this leave-in conditioner, like the spray method. I like to just apply my conditioner in my hair. So this product, honestly, it's gonna be a no for me. But I do like the smell of all of it. And right now, I'm just kind of plucking out my hair just to give it some volume, so when it dries, it's not like stuck to my head, and then I can add even more volume. Hopefully, this product kind of like define my curls and make them look good. Because as of right now, I think they look pretty good. Like, I don't know, I think they look pretty good. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, pluck it all out and apply a little bit of this Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. I've used black castor oil before, but I don't really use it in this method that I'm using in today, which is like applying it all throughout my hair. This is like a really thick oil, so I'm not gonna use a lot, but I do want to seal in all the products that I literally just put in my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply, not a lot, but just try to distribute what I just put in my hand all throughout my hair. So I don't know if you guys just heard that, but my dad just popped a firework outside. Why? I don't know. But that literally just scared the heck out of me. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit more because I want to focus it on my ends. Y'all know the ends are the most oldest part of your hair. So when, oh, I am getting all this all over myself. So yeah, the ends are the most important part of your hair. So when you're applying any product, if that's conditioner, shampoo, always make sure you're taking care of the ends of your hair, because those are the oldest part, and that's why they split. You know what I mean? That's why you have like split ends, because you're not nurturing and taking care of the ends of your hair. So whenever I apply oil, conditioner, shampoo, I'm making sure that my ends are good. And also my scalp. That's another thing. Whenever you're applying a product, make sure that you're nourishing your scalp too, because that's where the hair grows. I don't know why I'm sweating so badly right now, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit more and apply that to my scalp. Usually, like my method when I use the black castor oil, I apply it before I even start washing my hair. But lately, I've been watching like different YouTubers, and I wanted to try just different methods and kind of try different products. As y'all seen, I tried a different product and I don't like it. But yeah, let's see how it actually works on my hair, because all I've done is I just don't like how it's too hard to apply. Like this product here, this is too hard to apply. Like they really expect me to spray this all throughout my hair, and plus my hands are like slipping and stuff, and it took a minute. It took a minute to do that. Jamaican black castor oil has actually been proven to grow your hair. This is like it says here on the bottle, it says helps strengthen, replenish, rejuvenate, nourishes, And it's also used to like grow out your hair and things like that. When I first did my big chop, like 2 years ago, I used to use this all the time, and I feel like this is like a key reason. This is all I'm gonna put. This is it. But I feel like that was like a really key reason on why my hair grew. You know what I mean? Because I was applying this stuff in my hair literally at least once a week, or whenever I would wash my hair, and also I would apply it to the ends of my hair all the time. You know what I mean? Because I didn't want to go back to having split ends. Even though I have split ends now, but like when I was like really on my hair and really taking care of it a lot, when I first did my big chop, I would apply this oil all the time. So this is probably one of my favorite hair growth oils. Now there are so many different hair growth oils out there, but for the ones that I tried, black castor oil has never done me wrong. I use it also when I deep condition. I warm it up in the microwave and things like that. Oh, I thought there was a fly in here. So it's a really good oil to use, and I absolutely love Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, then I'll come back to you guys and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, you guys, so my hair is finally 100% dry. It is later that night. I just went to work and I came back and everything. So like, cause I was like, okay, I cannot just leave them without showing them how my hair look. I don't want to insert no pictures. I don't feel like taking no pictures. So I was like, let me just show them when I come back from work. So I'm back, and this is what my hair is looking like. Overall on this product, like, okay, so one of my New Year's resolutions was to try new products, and using this Carol Daughters product, I found out that I am too stuck on my Shea Moisture. Like literally, as I was touching the shampoo, I was like, I don't really like this, but I was like, okay, Za'Morian, get out of your bubble and try new things. So I honestly do not like the spray leave-in conditioner. I do not like that at all. I like sticking with my normal scoop and like, you know, conditioner like that. So I'm not feeling the conditioner, but as far as like the smell of my hair, girl, my hair smell like I take your man. Like real talk, like my hair smells so good, and people even at work was like, what's that smell, you know, like what's that smell like? And I'm like, oh, it's my hair. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so overall the product did define the heck out of my curls. Like I don't know if y'all can see, like I hope the camera can like catch how bouncy they are and how like thick, you know what I mean? Like, okay, people are out there popping fireworks, and like, can it be like, why? Like, you know, it's 4th of July around right now, y'all. People out there popping fireworks. It ain't even dark outside. Anyways, yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like. And your girl got some like, you know what I'm saying? Like, ooh, you see that? But yeah, overall, I really do like this. I like the shampoo. And I like the hydrating. I'm gonna pop the picture here so y'all know exactly what the product I'm talking about. But I actually do love these products. The hair smoothie, it felt like I was like, when I was putting it in my hair in the shower, it felt like what's that stuff? A pumpkin. Like if you've ever made like sweet potato pie or pumpkin pie, if you ever like felt like the thickness of it, then you know what I'm talking about. That's how it felt. Like I felt like I was grabbing a lot. When I look, it wouldn't be, I don't know how to explain it. I just didn't like it. Like, that's overall. I do not like the spray leave-in conditioner, and I do not like the hair smoothie. But I do like the hydrating conditioner, and I do like the shampoo. But all the products smell really, really good. I'm not even gonna front. They all smell so good, and I'm a real smelly type of person. Like, that didn't sound right. I'm a real smelly type of person. As far as, like, I like my products to smell good. If they don't smell good, then they're automatically a no-go. You know, so that is one thing, and I feel like they did do good as far as clumping my curls together and making them look super defined. I don't know if that's because I used the hydrating conditioner, because that one was supposed to be rinsed out, but I didn't want to rinse it out because I was like, I know my hair cannot just take spray. You know what I mean? The spray was like, the spray leave-in conditioner was super hard to use. It was too much, like too much. It was too much. So yeah, this is basically what my hair is looking like, y'all. I love it. It looks cute as heck, and people compliment me. I can't even talk. People complimented me at work saying my hair looks really cute. So, and like I said, I added a new regimen to my hair, which is after I apply all the product, I seal all that product in with an oil. And like I mentioned, I use the black castor oil. And even though my hair does feel a little green. I think I add a little bit too much, but still, I feel like how my hair doesn't look dry. Cause usually when I don't add it in there, my hair looks kind of dry, but my hair feels super moisturized and it doesn't look dry and like brittle. Sometimes your girl hair be looking a little dry, and I be having you know, some something in there. But yeah, from out of a 1 to 10, I honestly would give this product a 7.5. Like the whole line from shampoo to the spray leave-in conditioner. I give it a 7.5 because I did not like the hair smoothie and I did not like the conditioner. I didn't like the conditioner. I didn't like how hard it was to use. It was so annoying, like it's super annoying. So, but I already bought the goddamn product, so I gotta use the goddamn thing at some point, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I like these products. Am I gonna buy all of it again? Probably not. I'm gonna go back to my Shea Moisture until I find another product. I'm planning on trying the YALL Organics. Pop picture right here. I'm planning on trying them. I'll do a review on them also. But yeah, y'all, I hope this video is super long. But thank you guys for watching. And let me know if you've tried Carol's Daughter, like the black vanilla line. If you have, let your girl know down in the comment sections. And leave a comment on some more video suggestions that you guys would like to see from me. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I couldn't even cross my hands for a second. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Northern California. Hey, they better call a paramedic in the street. I got leverage in the street. I'm a California nigga and I'm heavy in the streets. 22 or 23, I'm heavy with the heat.